Hi everyone, my name's Katie and I want to show you how to add a checkbox in your Excel spreadsheet. The first thing that you're going to need in order to do this is the Developer tab up in your top ribbon. You can see that I currently don't have this tab as an option, so let's add it. The way to do this is you're going to right-click on your ribbon and you'll select Customize the Ribbon. This will bring up the Excel Options pop-up box. I'll go over to the right under Customize the Ribbon and go down to Developer. I can tell that it's not showing because it's currently white. I'll select this and it'll turn blue. Hit OK, and now you can see up top my Developer is a tab that's available to me. To add the checkbox, you're going to go to your Developer tab, click on Insert, select the checkbox option, and take this and draw it in the cell that you want it in. Now when I populate this, there's going to be text that comes after this. I don't want this text, so I'm going to select it and I'm just going to hit the delete button. I'll make my checkbox option smaller now, and I'm going to move this to the center of my cell right where I want it. So that is how you add a checkbox. Now I want to take this and I want to copy it into the rest of these cells below. So I'm just going to select my cell, hit Control-C, Control-V to paste it, and down here as well, Control-V. Now you can go through these and you can check them as if you've done them or not. So there you have it. That's how you add your Developer tab as well as checkboxes into your Excel spreadsheet. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe for more, and comment below with any additional videos you'd like to see.